In the heart of Rome stands a monument that has withstood the test of time and tragedy, the Colosseum. But have you ever wondered why only half of it remains standing today? Built between 70 and 80 AD under the emperors Vespasian and Titus, the Colosseum was the grand amphitheater of ancient Rome, capable of holding up to 80,000 spectators. It hosted gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, and mock sea battles. Its grandeur symbolized the might of the Roman Empire. But in 1349, a catastrophic event struck. A massive earthquake, estimated at a magnitude of 6.7, devastated central Italy. The epicenter was near the Apennine Mountains, but its effects were felt as far as Rome. The Colosseum's southern side, built on unstable alluvial soil, collapsed, leaving a massive pile of rubble. Poet Francesco Petrarch described the scene. The massive building that so amazes the pilgrims fell among the old houses abandoned by the citizens. Following the earthquake, the Colosseum was left in ruins. Over the centuries, it suffered further damage from additional earthquakes, fires, and stone robbers. The removal of iron clamps and valuable materials weakened its structure. By the 16th century, it had been repurposed for various uses, including housing and workshops. In the 18th century, Pope Benedict XIV declared the Colosseum a sacred site, halting further stone removal. This marked the beginning of restoration efforts. Architects reinforced the remaining arches, and the structure was stabilized to prevent further collapse. In recent years, significant restoration projects have been undertaken. Between 2013 and 2016, a $25 million restoration funded by Italian fashion brand Tod's cleaned and reinforced the Colosseum's facade. The restoration revealed hidden medieval walkways and improved visitor access. Today, the Colosseum stands as a testament to resilience and the dedication to preserving history. Visitors from around the world come to witness the Colosseum's grandeur and learn about its storied past. It's not just a monument, it's a symbol of Rome's enduring spirit. The Colosseum's missing half tells a story of destruction, resilience, and rebirth. It's a reminder that even in ruins, there is beauty and history waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's continue exploring the wonders of our world together.